So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz.
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So yeah,
autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many?
So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges.
Because an A chord, so your A chord consists of 4. Why does the A note